In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $5,000 blogging every single month. So let's jump over to my screen and I'll show you exactly what to do step by step. The first thing that you're going to need is a high profit niche. And what that means is pick a niche where you know it and you love it. Of course, you also want to pick a niche that's easy to monetize. And what that usually means is picking a tier one country like the United States as your audience. You also want to pick an audience that has some disposable income. So that means a middle class to upper class audience. Next, you're going to need to choose a domain name, which is just the name of your website. Don't spend a long time on your domain name. Simply pick something short, simple to remember, easily spelled, and something that has to do with your niche, but allows you to talk about several different subtopics. I like using a site like Namecheap to find all of my domain names. To make $5,000 a month, you also want to choose a good host. Bluehost gets a bad rap, but I've used it many times and I've never had a problem with it. So you can also see that it's very cheap for your hosting, and I would just go with that. Next, you're going to need a platform to manage your content. There's really no better site than WordPress.org. So go ahead and set up with them through Bluehost. Once you've chosen your 5K niche and you've set up your website, the next thing you want to do is choose 5K keywords. These are the words and the topics you're going to write about on your website. When your site is new, go after money keywords, things that I call invisible keywords. These are keywords that are so no competition that most keyword tools don't even recognize them, and they have no competition, meaning no other blogger has written a full article about these keywords. That's how you're going to get to $5,000 per month on your website. To find your invisible keywords, I like Rank IQ, which is going to help you rank on Google's first page because they pre-validate keywords for you. You can even use a tool like Ahrefs. If you want to go the free route, you can also check with H Super Tools, which has a great suite of tools for you like keyword research and SEO optimization. Now, to make 5K per month blogging, you're going to need to write high quality content that drives thousands of page views of traffic per month. High quality content is subjective, but it's content that is well organized. It gives the answers right up front. It has some images. It's got lots of subheaders, lots of short paragraphs, lots of white space. It gives the answer, the complete, comprehensive answer to a question or a topic around a keyword and on your niche. How are you actually going to make $5,000 per month? Well, you're going to do that through display advertising and affiliate links. Believe it or not, guys, you can actually make $5,000 per month blogging just from display ads. This is signing up with a display ad network like Exoic, Google AdSense, Mediavine, or AdThrive. Notice how as we scroll through this article, you're seeing ads pop up every couple of paragraphs. This is what you can do by adding display ads to your website. Anytime a reader sees those ads on your website, you earn money. If you like these tips so far, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. As soon as you start your blog, you want to sign up with Google AdSense, but once you get to around 1,000 page views per month, then you want to check out Exoic and sign up with them. Now, once your site reaches 50,000 page views per month, then you can sign up with Mediavine, which is another ad platform where lots of bloggers say they earn more money through display advertising. If you have any questions about that, please let me know in the comments and just write your question there. Along with adding display ads to your site, you can also earn $5,000 or more per month blogging with affiliate marketing. Once you've established some traffic on your website, go ahead and sign up for Amazon Associates. It's one of the most popular affiliate marketing programs out there. You can also sign up for places like ClickBank, Impact, and ShareASale. Once you sign up for these affiliate programs, you can write content, and as you write your content, you can add affiliate links in, just like this website right here on your screen is adding affiliate links every so often. You can just refer your readers to products that you believe in and that you like. That's how I've built my portfolio of sites to $5,000 per month, and how other bloggers have built $10,000 and $20,000 per month blogging businesses. Now that you know all this information, what you're going to find is that you still need to know how to scale and sustain your efforts. What you really need to do that are some tools. And I've made a complete playlist that you'll see right up here about my most recommended tools for bloggers and writers. Go ahead and check that out now. I'll see you in that video.